Most people believe digital banks all blur together, but the surprising truth about Peak Prosper Bank in 2026 is its clear focus on growth-minded users. If you want your bank to actively help you progress, this review is for you. Peak Prosper Bank is a digital-first institution offering checking, savings, and financial optimization tools. Its core appeal is a strong savings yield paired with smart automation. Users can set rules that move money into savings, investments, or future expenses automatically. One standout feature is its prosperity planning tool. Instead of generic budgeting, it maps income toward long-term objectives like home ownership or early retirement. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on monthly survival, but Peak Prosper encourages forward thinking. The bank also provides spending insights and alerts that highlight habits slowing down progress. You won't believe how effective this is at helping users cut unnecessary expenses without feeling restricted. Peak Prosper Bank does not offer physical branches, and advanced investment options are limited. It's designed for growth-oriented savers, not traders or cash-heavy users. Peak Prosper Bank is best for professionals and families who want clarity, automation, and measurable progress. In conclusion, Peak Prosper Bank in 2026 is still worth it for anyone focused on building long-term financial momentum. If growth is your goal, this bank aligns with that mission. Subscribe for more honest banking and finance reviews you can trust.